It's freezing cold, it's night, and I'm down here at one of my favorite drone places, Kronborg in Helsingør, or Helsingør, or whatever it's called in English. And today I have not brought my drone, but I've brought my own OSMO Pocket to capture some nice footage. Capture some night footage, not nice footage, but some night footage for you guys. The idea is I walk around the area, add some nice music so you can see how the footage looks like when it's pitch black. I don't know the quality of the audio of this recording, so you would hopefully let me know in the comment section below. I will capture the footage in 4K and upload it to YouTube in 4K in 24 frames per second. And for this test I will be using auto. Let's go. Even though I haven't figured out all the quirks and quirks about the OSMO Pocket, it's pretty nice that you could operate the unit with your gloves on, because it's really cold on your fingers. And you might call me a chicken, but I'm an office guy, so I'm not used to working outside when it's cold. So it's pretty nice that I can do all this stuff by just pressing one button. So if I do like 3 taps, it will flip around. Maybe not. Sometimes it flips around. Now it recenters. Now it flips around. I can do this. And another 3 clicks, then it will come back to me. What? How nice is that? Okay, let's head back to the car. This basically concludes our night test, or my night test with the OSMO Pocket. I hope you enjoyed the footage, and see you on the next one.